Okay, in this video, we're going to go into some more of the little details that you can use on BigCommerce. So one of the first things I want to talk about is customer groups. Now, you lose this ability at the $29 level, but it is available in the $79 level. This is something that you can't do on Shopify without actually buying an app. And this allows you to create different customer groups. So, for example, let's say you are a manufacturer. Let's say you're making pet products, or let's say, like me, you're doing coffee, right? And you're roasting your own coffee, and you want to sell retail to the public, but you also want to sell wholesale to restaurants, and you're going to give them a better price. So what you can do is you can come up here into your customers, you can look at your customer groups, and we can create a customer group. And we can call this restaurants, right? Customers group see all products, and then what we can do is we can give either category or product level discounts. Or we can say, you know what, we're just going to give you a percentage discount of 30%. Right? So in this case here, anyone when they log in underneath their restaurant, they're going to get a 30% discount, right? So really simple way. You can also do returning customers if you want to give them a 5% discount after they've been in for 5 or 6 times, right? If you're doing wholesale or your distributorship, or you know what, maybe you have a new retail customer gets a 30% discount, but someone who's been around for a while and is ordering thousands of dollars from you, they're going to get a 40% discount. And it allows you to be able to go ahead and do that. So one of the things you should look at is looking at your various customers. So another thing we didn't look at is brands. You can go ahead and add in different brands that will reflect on you. So in this case here, it's my own brand. I don't really have any, so I would probably take away all of those. And then obviously we can also look at our orders as well, right? And we can actually import tracking numbers as well, right? So you can upload a file of different tracking numbers and it will attach apparently. So I haven't played around with it too much. But here's where we get into some fun stuff. We get into the marketing. And they're attached to Google Trusted Stores. Looking at your Google XML sitemap, you can go ahead and upload this into Google Webmaster Tools, which is a really nice thing to have. And what I really like is coupon and discount codes. Now, compared to something, let's say, like BigCommerce, the coupon codes here are a lot more sophisticated, right? You can actually create different coupon codes that do different things, and you can set expiration dates on it and number of uses. So if I want to create a 15% off for March in 2016 when I'm recording this, I can do 15 March 16 as my code, and then I can do a dollar amount off order, dollar amount off each item in the order, percentage off each item, dollar amount off the shipping total, or I can do, let's say, free shipping, or I can just do $5 off with a minimum of $25 purchase. Right? We're going to limit the total number of uses to 45, so we'll do a GoDaddy thing, and we're going to limit the number of uses to customers to 1 time. Now, can people get around it? Yeah, they probably could by using different email addresses, but you can go in and check this. And then what I want to do is I'm going to do an expiration of the end of the month, right? And I can even apply this only to particular categories if you want to, or even particular products. It's a really nice way of doing your coupons in here, right? They also have discount rules, right? And so you could do a free shipping discount on orders of at least X units of products, or at least a certain dollar amount, right? And attach to a different shipping zone, which we haven't gotten into yet, right? And you can do how long. So if you want to do something real short, and it'll even pop up a message, add this much into your cart to get the free shipping, right? And so you can tell it on what message locations you want as well, right? It's a great little functionality that a lot of carts don't have. And then finally, what I want to show you is banners. Now, I'm not going to pretend to say that the banners are as beautiful as having a graphic designer do it, but sometimes you just need to do something. So for example, I'm going to show you a banner, right, which is this one right here. So if I wanted to do, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this. I'm going to create a banner, and this is going to be free shipping March, right? Use free March coupon code to get free shipping. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to center this. I'm going to make this 18, and I'm going to make this red so it really pops. And I'm going to show it on the home page, and I'm going to show it at the top of the page. And save, and you're going to see what happens when we come over to the site. You can see we have the coupon code there, right? And it shows up right underneath. And what we can say is, well, maybe we don't want it there. Maybe we want it on a product page. Maybe we want a specific category, right? Maybe we want it on island style. So we save that. And if I go to island style, right, you can see we have the coupon code there as well. Oops. Or if we go over to Bold Coffee, you can see we have the products listed underneath. So it's a great little functionality that a lot of the other ones don't have. So in the next video, we're going to go over some of the little housekeeping items such as shipping and taxes and payments.